Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We want to explain about
tax object.
Please enjoy. Well, for the first time, we will talk about taxable goods. Okay, in this first slide, we will talk about the definition of taxable goods. Taxable goods are tangible goods, which according to their characteristic are movable or immovable goods, and intangible goods, which are taxed based on the value-added tax law. Then we have a question here: is everything around us taxed? The answer is, of course, no. So what are they? Here they are. First, mining or drilling product taken directly from the source. For example is crude oil, natural gas but not LPG, geothermal, sand and gravel, coal before being processed into coal briquettes, iron ore, tin ore, gold ore, copper ore, nickel ore, silver ore, and bauxite ore. Third one is staple goods that are needed by the people at large. This is because if goods are subject to value-added tax, it will add to the burden on people's life. We can imagine how if we need sugar and we should pay tax for it. How if we need rice and we should pay tax for it? Of course, it will be burden for us, right? Next, food and beverage served in hotels, restaurants, stalls, and the like are consumed on the spot or not, and do not include food and beverage delivered by a catering or catering business. And four is money, gold bullion, and security. This is because the nominal value and physical value are different. However, compared to its intrinsic value, gold jewelry is still subjected to value-added tax or VAT. Okay, got it? And here are the points of delivery, which is not included in the definition of delivery of taxable goods. Delivery, which is not included in the definition of delivery of taxable goods, is a term that refers to the activity of delivering goods, which, although included in the category of taxable goods, are exempted from the collection of value-added tax or VAT. They are, first, delivery of taxable goods to a broker. What is meant by broker in this context is an intermediary trader appointed by the president or by an official who is declared authorized by the president to be a broker. The second one is delivery of taxable goods for collateral for account payable. And the third is delivery of taxable goods from the center to the branch or vice versa, and or delivery of taxable goods between branch in the event that the taxable entrepreneur centralized the tax payable place. The fourth is transfer of taxable goods for the purpose of merging, consolidating, expanding, splitting, and taking over a business, provided that the party making the transfer and receiving the transfer is a taxable entrepreneur. 5. Taxable goods are in the form of assets which according to their original purpose were not for sale, which were left over at the time the company was dissolved and for which the input tax on their acquisition could not be credited.
Second is taxable service.
Taxable service. According to Article 1, Paragraph 2E and F of Law Number 11 of 1994, taxable service is any service activity based on an agreement or legal action that causes goods or facilities or rights to be available for use, including services performed to produce goods because orders or requests, with materials at the instruction of the customer who are subject to tax. Not taxable service. Based on Article 4A, Paragraph 3 of Law Number 8 of 1983 concerning value-added tax, all services are included in the category of taxable services, except for some of the services below. First one is medical health service. Medical health service includes service for general practitioner, dentist, and specialist health professional, acupuncture, and physiotherapy service. This include medicine performed by physicians. And the second is social services. This service include nursing home service, orphanages, firefighters, rehabilitation institution, sports service except for those of commercial. The third is postage and mail delivery service. This service include mailing services with postage attached. And the fourth is insurance services. These include life insurance, general insurance, and reinsurance with insurance company carry out to insurance holder. This service in the insurance sector doesn't include supporting services as insurance agents, insurance consultant, and insurance loss appraisers. And the fifth is financial services. Include services to raise funds from the public in the form of demand deposits, time deposits, certificates of deposit, and savings, as well as other document whose position is equivalent to the said securities, service, loan distribution, and guarantee services. Six is money transfer service by postal money order. One is educational service. Educational services that are not subject to value-added tax are school education services and educational services outside of school, such as various skills course and foreign language course. 8 is religious services. These include for houses of worship, sermon or dakwah service. 9 is performing arts and entertainment services that have been subject to spectacle tax. Arts and entertainment fields that are not subject to value-added tax include every art field that has been subject to regional taxes. This is applied to avoid double taxation. For example, organizing theater arts that are held free for charge without being commercial in nature. 10 is broadcasting services that are not advertisement. Includes radio and television broadcasting services organized by the government and the private sector which are not funded by sponsor and are not advertisement in nature. 11 is public transportation services on land and water. 12 is hospitality sector. This includes room rental services in several places included in the category of accommodation like motels, hotels, inns, and etc. 13 is services in the field of labor. These include employment search and supply services, manpower training, provider services. And the 14 is parking space provision service. These include the provision of land carried out by the owner of the parking lot to users for a fee. 15 is catering services, 16 in public telephone service using coins, and the last 10 taxable services whose delivery is exempt for imposition of value-added tax. The first one is seas received by the National Marine Transportation Company. Second, services received by the National Commercial Air Transport Company. Third is train received by PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Fourth, services provided by contractor for building construction. Fifth is rental services for simple flat, simple house, and very simple houses. The last is services received by Ministry of Defense or the TNI.
And the last is payable taxable service.
First, we need to know what is the payable tax. Payable tax represents the amount of the tax obligation that must be paid by the taxpayers, both corporate taxpayers and individual taxpayers, to the country. Based on Article 11 Number 1, Law Number 42 of 2009, for taxable goods and taxable service will become the tax payable when they meet these 8 points. Because we're gonna discuss about the taxable service, so we just discuss about the third, fifth, and the 8th point. Okay, for the first, we will discuss about delivery of the taxable service. What is it? It is any activity of giving taxable service, include taxable service that are used for their own interest or taxable service are given freely by taxable service entrepreneur. For the example, the first is electricity and telephone billing service by the banks, and the second is the freight service, delivery of goods service. Okay, the second is utilization of taxable service from outside the custom area. Utilization of taxable service from the outside custom area is any activity of utilizing taxable service from the outside custom area within the custom area. For the example is using of architectural service from abroad. And the last is export of taxable service. Export of taxable service is any activity of delivery taxable service produced within a custom area to be utilized by export recipient of taxable service from outside the custom area. For the example is contract manufacturing or toll manufacturing, or in Bahasa we know it as maklon.
Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.